talk about the beginning of Black American culture. Okay, so CD, today, what do you know about Black American culture? Anything? Oh, so you've watched movies about them before. Great. It's good. Now, before we continue reading our passage today, let's try to learn what diaspora is. Okay? Can you read it for me? Okay, let me say that again. Diaspora. Diaspora. So, diaspora means to say the scattering of people from their homelands to a variety of diverse places, usually not voluntarily but through force or as refugees. What does it mean? Good. So it means to say they're from one place and now they're moving to different places. Good job. Just like this. So, and most of the time they're not doing that because they want to. Okay? Because usually it's not voluntarily and it happens because they were forced. Okay? So they become refugees. Good job. Now, we have here the passage. Can you read it for me? So, what did you learn from these sentences? Okay. So, Black Americans were brought to different parts of the United States. Very good. And they're from? Where did they come from? Western Africa. Good job. And what happened to them when they were scattered in the U.S.? Okay. So there are a lot of enslaved Africans, right? And because of this, when they moved to the U.S., they formed new cultures. Yeah, because of course they came from different places. So they built a culture where they are now. Okay, let's continue. They intentionally tried to erase African culture by separating people with the same background or language. Enslavers sent some people to work in houses and others to work in fields, and they mixed people from different societies together. Okay, which means? Okay, so they intentionally tried to erase their culture. So they separate people with, how did they separate them? Good job. They separated them with the same background or language. So, what did they do? What did they do when they were already in the US? Some people, what did they do? They worked in houses. Good job. Others work in a field. Okay. Okay, and some, of course, they mixed people from different societies together. Good job. So, are there some words that you don't understand? When it comes to the first paragraph, you can always ask teacher if there are words you don't understand, okay? Okay, great.